There is something in laundry soap that makes that it's like it coats the dryer vent coats the window with this schmutz, and it actually has the spectrum effect. Now, this is not what normal glass does, so there's something that they put in some of these soaps or dryer sheets that I mean, I noticed it's just a really strong smell that just remains on clothes forever, and I wonder if they're using some sort of agent, because if you look at the rest of the window, there's the same schmutz, so I don't have the same angle, but I've never had a window that had this rainbow effect, so I think there's something that they put in soaps or fabric softeners that's not healthy. Like, we shouldn't be getting that on our clothes if it's like has a spectrum going on in it. Anyways, if anybody knows why this would be, let me know. Thanks.